Bima Obiya Kwaba ever GC News, hot news, all time, latest and hot news. Bremo. A year hands off our hotels, a year demoted teacher, one of chef so a Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, MP for North Tongue, Onuna Etechi, na the more the shares from Odi and some Atuya. Now answer the Bible Raya, the Moon Sabina. Let's just say, so we can subscribe to the channel now. Let's just say, over subscribe. Would I say over click it? I subscribe button. Now our daily notification. Where is our new video PR also inside everything. I feel we are now like give us a thumbs up. Share my offer for sooner when you be now watching. Afriyie Bura a singing. A yes, Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa in Simbi ever to their fire, Bryan a great minister. Minute a year hotels, a SSNIT for one hotels, a Bryan per se water, a year rock city. Now, no look to the home crowd, a semi able to be as in high and pay my embassy. And our plans any only to move to teach the chef for Manchester 1 year, the more editia. And one of the more basso and new purple tree, a good pure democracy and near asset keep 1 year, 2 baby grand 1 year upon from the way. We had semi green now we could put the Sasso and a Martin Kpebu, where the Bako and yet. Any 10 year better say Benny to be money a year Akufo-Addo and Yansa to 1 United and some of that. Na yes, Yembura a year the moon, some 20 and some years, Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa MP for North and some hour the any lawyer Marty 21 now 1 20 years of a course.
Joe boy. Today, all those skeptics who were saying that Ghanaians will be quiet, Ghanaians will not turn up, Ghanaians will sit idle and allow their treasured state assets, our prized hotels, to be given away for a song in an unconscionable, obnoxious conflict of interest transaction. They have been put to shame. Look at the numbers today. Look at how many Ghanaians have come out since 6 a.m. Ghanaians are on their feet and they are saying enough of the state capture. Enough. I want to commend all of you. I want to congratulate all of you. This is just the beginning of the struggle. And you have encouraged all of us in the leadership, the TUC, the Federation of Labour, the Minority Caucus, the Gadangwe Caucus, the La Youth Association, all the political parties who are coming together to organize this non-partisan national protest. You have made all of us proud. The people of Teshi, the people of Krowo, the people of Ashaman, we salute all of you. We also want to specially thank the Wulomai. I don't remember the last time I saw the Wulomai. For the La Wulomai himself to come out today with all the traditional leaders to give us his blessings, to pour libation, and to ask that our ancestors should protect us on this march and to give us victory on this march. I want to salute the Wulomai. God bless him. May all our ancestors bless him. This tells you that this matter is not a joke. Not at all. See how beautiful and magnificent these glorious edifices are. If they are good for Honorable Bryan, if they are good for the sons of Freddie Blake, they can be good for all Ghanaians. Anybody. That is what we are saying. It is not true, as you have seen, that these hotels are collapsing. It is not true that they have been run down. It is not true that they have become ramshackle. If you listen to some of them on radio, you will think that coming here today, we will not even get a decent place to stand by. You will think that we are coming to see an eyesore. But all that propaganda has been exposed. That is why we decided to start in front of the Labadi Beach Hotel. We will also go to La Palm Royal and you will see how magnificent these hotels are. When Rock City last year was filing losses at the GRA, Labadi Beach Hotel, this hotel in front of us, made profit of 158 million Ghana cedis. Between Labadi Beach Hotel and Rock City, who should be buying who? Which of the hotels should be buying the other? So this cannot be about any savior coming to save these hotels. Already there is no value for money.
yetu ye ne baabi Nyankopon pani ani to nanem na so Ghana ha o man ye bo pa ye se Awurade betre ye hiem na ye sika sama toto ye ne asetena mu sam etumi awie mu dia aye boachi bidin na yetu ye ni ha o man mu a mapanyi na nadoda Kwaku Akufo-Addo wona na profo ne ehunu wo mu so aye se ne o mabo mi fita du kutre se Ghana fo bebre no na ebre e wo ho no ye te anu a ne ehunu na ya tete se hotels bi kra wo ha no mo ate se amafo mu bi do mo wura mu ate e de free o mamu ni nyina esam na so mu benya percentage kra na no aba be ye befu na kwaba san so a na wo man Ghana ya tonton ya wona ya ma da chi akwa mabi ye nkoda entirima na wo no wokoya na se wo mpaye enche na udi kroma na wo bobra no abobi dia mama efrise bebi o man Ghana ye dro no se Awurade amamu pa dia wan so no obi anya bibi papa bia amfanya ne ma ese ejapade na ye be kai se hands off our hotels demonstration that day akonsu ye papa panye fedi agro ni nyina gina say ye tete ye ese je se hotels ni bi ho no ma ye o man ne dia kra amanfo mu bi do o monsato so Dr. Bryan champo say na wan sem ba ye nya asem ketwa anya bia ne say ye to o man Ghana hotel fani bi dia manua ehun se be ye bebre no ati hotels bi ayo man Ghana dia emu bebre aba stay na no wo peso wo bo echima na no na temamufo mu bi kira yese da bi aferi so wan ka so otiri wo sa bredi a ebe ya dem pass o man Ghana ye betumi afa ya tima papa fra na temamufo ho so ahai wo mu nti wo mo ye o madwene se wo mo de ye kire tentrente esese so ye kire no be ya asomdwe ye kire wo mo beti penten kwa nante na na je de mo no ngwa kopie wo Jubilee House no mo de o made sete akwakoto empanyufo anem.
Akufo-Addo is the epitome of corruption, the apogee of corruption, and that is why
he says that those are mere allegations, and the people who made these allegations were unable to substantiate these allegations. Isn't that right?
Yeah, he says so. You don't expect him to admit. I mean, he wouldn't admit. But ask Akufo-Addo, the 800 million he added to the Ameri deal, where was he taking that $800 million to? $800 million. That's why he added to the Ameri deal. And then he had to use Boakye Agyarko as a scapegoat and sacked him and said he was misled. Akufo-Addo was running away with $800 million. That one too, is an allegation. What was his response? Didn't he say that he was misled? Meanwhile, Boakye Agyarko says he wasn't involved in the transaction beyond a certain point. He says the transaction was between Akufo-Addo and Gabi. And they added $800 million and they were caught. That one is an allegation. Okay. Why doesn't he mention the $800 million?
Mr. Kpebu, you come in as a neutral voice. Yeah. We want to find out from you. Do you think things would have been different if NDC were to be in the driving seat?
Well, that's difficult to tell because, you see, in 2016, at the last end, that's the same way JM behaved. We were telling him that, listen, we don't like those levels of corruption, right? But he wouldn't listen. That's why we voted against him. Except that we didn't know Akufo-Addo is worse than JM. That's the plain truth. Nobody anticipated that Akufo-Addo would be worse than JM. Akufo-Addo and Bawumia, right? They are together. If Bawumia wasn't corrupt, he couldn't have coexisted with Akufo-Addo like that. Nobody knew. We all thought that being a lawyer, and you see, one thing that resonated with us was that he said, Akamena, and he was 73. For crying out loud, a 73-year-old tells you that Akamena, he meant that any moment he could die. And it's true, he could have died at any moment. So we believe that this man, from our socialization, he will want to go to heaven. So not even one city will get missing. But here is a man who attempted to take our $800 million and was caught. That one, is it an allegation? Okay. Is the $800 million an allegation? Okay. He just said Boakye Agyarko deceived him. Can you imagine? How can somebody deceive you over $800 million?
Na ne dey pani kwa hwanya sam ketwa kra aposifo ne wone a ede yetre ne hyehyɛ so no de pani pa na etetremu ne kasanya mu no yetre se amanfo bako enan na wone prepre mu otene a ye ma mo first aid kra ansa kra sa na ambulance e be fa wona akọ ne nyina ne se aposifo no mu bi ye a wo mo wo so mo bebo nkwa ane agyapade ho ban no wo mo ekọ fierce pepper spray e de guamanfo ani a eno so e be ye ensem bebre na ne nyina kofa bai ejina se na prosifo ne kire ese woni ye wona adwese wo ye kire no biaye bi wo no ma ye kire won so won fa so ekwan bi wo ha ye kire won so won fa so bebi wo no ma ne ye sama won fa na so amafo ye kire yi enti aposifo asam na sa ye kire wo mo se so nyina no wo mo ye sa wo mo de beba biye e wo Christ the King Church ya eno Jubilee House na ye kire se wo mo trapo wɔn kɔ tra yɛ tiɛ ma polisifoɔ ni bere yɛ na kwan na polisifoɔ betumi agyina so etu anamɔ ne sɛ wɔn bɛbɔ wɔn ho mɔden nanka wɔn ne wɔn ankasa nso entiase anya adwuma pepper spray nyina bɛ mu a amanfoɔ mu bi pere mu wɔtere na wɔn a yɛ yɛtere no so ni bere yɛ pan wɔn tere sɛ apolisifoɔ nso ɛde mmerɛ bɛsɛ wɔn sɛm saa deɛ neɛ pure water sachet yɛ twi a sɛ yɛato akwa ne sɛ yɛtoɔ wɔn moto ta saa ne nea na ɛkɔ so demonstrators and protesters ni polisifoɔ no ɛsɛ amanfoɔ mu bie pra a epra no mu ɔtɛn wɔn mo agye ayarehwɛ na no akyi kura no tear gas nso sɛ nsu yɛ ɛma saa tear gas ni mu no amanfoɔ na ɛyɛ yɛkyerɛ no na wɔsɔ obi ayɛ sɛ run for your life wo dwane we fa poe no we fa tɔyɛ we fa nafoɔ no we afa soro wɔn mo nyina adwane fi so wɔn hu sɛ meko hyehye na biribi pa ne esi pɔte ɛnɛ dɛn no mo me yɛntie bi Keto na Christ the King Church kra no a wo mo ye sanka je mo di kosi waja ben Jubilee House anesa na mampanyi wo mo tie mu kra mampanyi bete won ne no chese Christ the King kra ne se wani be hu kena na sunansi ho won nru wo kra ya ene ne bie no ya bo e de akyere mo na tentimfo e de ma NDC amanyo ko no eye owura fifi kwete wo de sama wodo atodwa na sama wo ka nyina ne ni tretre mu no wo tere se o my Ghana panti ekukuru ne ne abesoa amanfo epese wo mo kire aban ne se niam bi wo ho no mo a ekoso a entwa yie etu wo mo twa aban na dwesi so no de na posifo ene woni a eye ye kire no edi esi ene eti e ka bi ma min ka bi ni o man Ghana ye bambo ho samo a ye pese ye kura mu twe no ene na sese eni adane na na
mini eba le koni protectors makade the confrontation approach where Ghana Police Service where you see the tear gas on ye pepper spray, what they handle the issue with regard to the demonstrators, you know, me did the win trade. We send there, Sabosha, Kataya, Mayankasa, me intercept each other. Per the agreement, demonstrators, you know, when ye Ghana Police Service, when you want ye, no, on each other, what shall say? Na why demonstration nefi oye Labadi Beach na with the Kowie oye Christ the King Church na suburban there Ghana Police Service mwenya any change of direction another change of destination ni papamno or then Ghana Police Service wotum na wafre the leadership of the demonstrators no na what show mu there because of one or two reasons. When we are there, Obowie wo oye Christ the King Church wo na rather no obey the Cocoa Junction. But unfortunately no Ghana Police Service sent to the man mono. And the man mono went to na at the end of the day the protesters and makade one bushi oye the demonstrators no with an access control barricade no there one mana will move in court there agreed destination no. Mineba oye serious security issue oyaza nikoni senka yebekade inye demonstrators nankasa na our Brazil omu no yende when you are prepare and kapoteka yebekade it can result in civil unrest to send that there is a breach of what agreement and Ghana Police Service share that kind of approach now oya trend bia e bosha wa kodi bebre demonstration jala oba shasti asumdwiminu na at the end of the day no oba bende obowie na onya asumdwinu ebo kwakohwem no na oye disagreement between the Ghana Police Service on the route another destination of the demonstration intimini ba se bisaya and the one Ghana Police Service wotu no wontweye and at the end of the day no odi nyala yede yanu to me condemn that kind of approach or your Ghana Police Service. What we another approach where you see or we
Tony and him say apostle for Jose. Omo Kwaku Agyapong ho pan. Sese ano eyetre ya amafo ekokoye ye. Ebetumi abase ebia na so ye dia no mo pese omo beti apostle for directives omo ma. Eti na apostle for tu sa na mo no. Yebetumi aka ne se se etesa aposifo na mo mutu ya ejina so bia mo ebie prepra se bia na ko mo de prevent you mo se bia mfa bibia ma esi agensam no ka ye wose yeso musana
mineba ehwe Ghana Police Service oya unit a wo friend the form police unit na oya one of the international trained unit we train one there so band there rioter you matter the number of the people few form police officers or go to control them riots and in fact it boggles my mind there the Ghana Police Service with the unit there one of the riot control units the respectable riot control unit there when it's training it's not just there to control another to manage the crowd now solo the way what training there watch one there in managing a crowd the type of the crowd behavior a corner crowd into me what behaving in we train one and issue them a crowd there in fact you were on crowd and different four and this very crowd call demonstration what we call the acting crowd and protest crowd now outer crowd minaba one subani na there they express anger and to be aware ebufu into 100 year at the end of the day then will result into a different thing altogether. I was expecting there the Ghana Police Service one can say him there they are dealing with the action crowd at the same time a protest crowd confrontation approach was not necessary but rather what to me kasa now what to me calming issues down because there was a breach of argument. In any case, never someone them mechanic crowd or protest crowd and you'll be surprised there if you crowd to my back car or you want away demonstrators nothing there or the Ghana Police Service now then one will raise some kind of mayhem on the protesters in the Ghana Police Service or you want to say there instead of work on a confrontational approach but rather or then go to me then what calm down no what your corner over to me use the what call the communication approach and that about the mediation approach.
You waiting for winning and some of the two the hands of our hotel on the more Okudzeto Ablakwa MP for Northton or the shares road in Pamphone and Kofo and Pabu P. Copy or home and home supply at because distribute so and our subscriber. Let's say over subscribe and like it now. Watch a video no ama of frosso. It may be now watch it. Also, bet me at share what in Afriyie and some way around a comment box. Mobile interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.